Good morning, Team 5 Kiddos. Today we're going to be working on Lesson 8-9. We skipped over 8-8. It has, not that it's not important, it's just something that we don't need to talk about in our limited time that we have left. 8-9 is congruent polygons. And so today we're going to be taking something that we already know, that term congruent, meaning the same, and we're going to apply it now to polygons, which is, I'm not kidding you, this is probably going to be the easiest lesson of the school year now. All right, so just follow along. We'll get through this quickly and we'll get you on your homework and be done for the day. All right, so congruent polygons, or congruent figures as they're calling them, means that they have the same shape and the same size, or like I say, same size, same shape. And if we take a look down here at example 1, it says, decide whether the figures in each pair are congruent or not. Well, you can take a look at them. This is a 3 by 2, and this one is a 3 by like 5, okay? So they're each 3 wide, but they're not the same length, all right? So therefore, they're not. But are these figures quadrilaterals? Yeah, sure they are, but they're not the same size, and they're not the same shape. So they would be an example of what is not congruent, right? Not the same size, although they are the same shape. They need to meet both criteria. If you take a look at example B here, let me zoom in just a little bit here. Boom. Please, B. No, not gonna make it any bigger. Anyways, you can see we have a right angle here with a 12 centimeter height and a 16 centimeter base, and then we have what's called a hypotenuse of 20. And if you look over here, we have that same right angle with a measurement of 12 centimeters here and 16 here. And if you look, here's a 12, here's a 16 with a hypotenuse of 20. Now, we can take from this that this triangle, this right triangle, is the same size. And we already know they're both triangles, so therefore they are the same shape. So same size, same shape, they are congruent figures or congruent polygons. Right? Now if we take a look at this next one, we have 2 squares. And the properties of a square is that one side is the same as all the other 3 sides. So here's 2 inches here, so that we know the rest of them are 2 inches. And if we look at this figure here, we have 2 inches here, which means that this square all has 2-inch sides as well. Which means same size, and we know it's a square, so same shape. But, Mr. K. Yes, Afton? How can I help you? The one is tilted and the other one's just like sitting there. You're right, Afton. The one is tilted, but in the world of congruency, it doesn't matter. If it's the same size and it's the same shape, they can be in any position they want to be. Okay, so if we look at this triangle up above from the previous problem, they're not in the same position. Does congruency have anything to do with position? No, same size, same shape. Okay, let's take a look at the next page. Now, the next problem that we're going to be doing while this is loading, hello, is a real world problem. All right, so we're going to work with Landra here. Landra needs a ground cloth that is congruent, same size, same shape, to the tent floor that she owns this tent, and she needs to buy a new floor. Apparently it rotted out, mice chewed on it, I don't know, who knows. Which ground cloth appears to be congruent to the tent floor? So here we have ground cloth A and ground cloth B, and we have the tent floor. So let's just take a look and let's just kind of put some names to this. Here we have 3 feet here, and we have 4 feet and 4 feet. So let's call this the entrance. Okay, so 3 feet with 4 foot and 4 foot, and then it goes 3 feet all around the back side of the tent. Okay, so we need to find out which ground cloth is congruent. Okay, well, if you look, ground cloth A is a hexagon and ground cloth B is a hexagon. Oh, we'll just choose either one. Well, no. You want to get the right ground cloth, the one that's going to fit perfectly, the one that is same size, same shape. And yes, Afton, congruent. All right, so our front door is 3 feet with 2 4-foot sides on it. we need to look. Here's a 3 foot with a 4 foot side. Here's 3 foot with 3 foot side. I don't know if that one's the right one. Oh, let's go look at ground cloth B. Where's a 3 foot side? Well, I don't see a 3 foot side over here for our front door. So that one's definitely not going to fit for what we need. Actually, it's smaller. It's like half the size smaller. It's going to be the wrong size. It's not going to fit perfectly. Afton's not going to be happy when she gets her order. She's going to have to return it. Not going to be happy. It's okay, Afton. It's okay. Now, let's go back to ground cloth A. So this one, they only gave us 2 selections. One of these has got to be the right one. So let me see here. Oh, I see. Here's the entrance at 3 foot here with 4 foot on the side and 4 foot on the side. And that would be, here's the entrance, 4 foot and 4 foot. So 3 foot and it's not in the same position. Oh, head bunk. I didn't see that they rotated. But if I look, it's 3 foot, 4 foot, 4 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, 4 foot, and then 3 feet all around the backside, and 3 feet all around the backside. You know what? That's the kind of tent that's the kind of floor that we're looking for our tent. Now, Afton's going to be really, 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 really happy when she gets this because this is exactly what she's looking for. It's just not the same position. So, same size, same shape, congruent polygon, congruent figure, happy, happy. Now, today, I would like to show you your homework, which is going to be practice B. You can print it off. Some of you are printing it off of the homework website. That's great. Some of you are trying to fill it out on Seesaw. That's fine too. Whatever works for you. All right. You don't have to print this off. All right. Just answer the question. Do the best you can. Take a picture. Send it to me. All right. Some of you have been sending videos. That's cool too. Now, anyways, but I'd like to end today's video with a handsome picture of my dog Max. Yep. Look at him. He's smiling. You can tell he loves me. Actually, he loves the ball that I'm holding. Anyways, so I'd like to end this note with saying, don't forget to do your homework. Send me a picture. Have a great rest of your day. Stay out of trouble. And, hey, find something to do around the house that's going to be helpful. All right? Thank you and goodbye.